Hi, I'm Greg from Pivot Stove and Heating. As a plumber, I've installed plenty of heaters where I've had to put bends in a roof, and there's been an absolute nightmare to do. On a Room Sealed Flue Kit, I want to show you how awesome it is to have to put bends in a roof. Can't believe I just said that. In this particular application, we have solar panels on this side of the roof, and our heater wants to go here in the room. So we're going to need to offset the flue. First thing we've done with the bends is we've got rid of the locking mechanism in the actual bend part of itself. And the reason we want to get rid of that is when I put the bend on the flue, I need to now be able to line it up. And this allows me to literally turn the bend any angle I want to align the flue exactly where I need it. So in this application, we're going to come across here. Now to lock it into position, we're going to use the locking ring. No screws required, no drills required. This is awesome. Goes around the bend, put it on, lock in position. Now with the insulated flue, we have a straight length of 500mm or a straight length at 1 meter. So to put the 500mm length on, it goes onto the bend and literally locks into position. That's now permanently locked. To secure it 100%, we can put another one of these bands on. They come with every fitting anyhow, so may as well put them on, and that will then give me a secure joint. Simple as that. Now, the 500mm joint on this job hasn't actually given me the solution I need, because when I put the bend on it, I'm now directly under the ridge. So I'm actually no better off than going through an insulated panel. What I absolutely love with this flue system is my favorite fitting, this. This is an adjustable length. Clip it onto the flue, lock it into position, and now I can adjust to anywhere I want within the roof cavity. So for more hints and tricks about how good this Room Sealed Flue Kit is and how easy it is to install, check out pivotstove.com.au or any of our dealers right around Australia.